to the person that you admire. Life is a journey, and it's all about acquiring someone that you admire. Who do we admire? We admire superheroes. Who are the superheroes? Superheroes are people who stand up when there's evil, are people who stand up when there's harmful, powerful people coming against the weak. Those are superheroes. So each and everyone, we need superheroes from time to time. But superheroes don't need people. People need superheroes. I hope that doesn't go over your head. So make sure that each and every day you are building the person that you admire. If you invest in yourself, you build yourself. Life is not about the results. It's not about the money. It's not about accumulating. It's about becoming, right? It's not about acquiring. It's about being, okay? So make sure that you are being the person that you admire. No one can take you from you. You will always live in your head. You will always belong to you as long as you are still on earth. As long as you don't sell your soul, you will always have yourself to yourself. Okay, so make sure you are becoming that asset to yourself. It's not just about having money. Money can be taken away from you. What will you be after that? So make sure you're building someone that you are proud of, someone who's strong enough, who have a strong mental model each and every day. If you hurt yourself all day long, like pain they cannot scare you with pain. If you always like inflicting pain on yourself, like working out, making sure that you're pushing yourself to the limit, nothing will scare you. If you've been through pain, nothing can really hurt you. You're conditioned to pain, and it's easy to hurt other people if you can hurt yourself. If you hurt yourself each and every day, you're putting yourself through pain, through fire. Man, you just look at other people and you see cupcakes and broads and princesses. Even if they are men, you just look at this princess. They're trying to challenge you and whatever. Punks trying to punk you, like. So make sure you're putting yourself through fire. You're forging yourself into the person that you admire each and every day. And make sure that you stand up for what you believe in. Make sure your values are straightforward. You don't bitch around, okay? That's the way of the superior man. This is how you measure greatness. How many people hate you? For example, the government. If you're powerful, if you become more powerful than your government, it's going to be a problem. It is going to be a problem. And they're going to hate you because you have different views. And another thing, if you let the world change you, how are you going to change it? So, without enemies, you're unimportant. Without haters, you're just wasting oxygen. And I'm not saying you should go around creating problems just for the sake of having haters. No. But if you have beliefs, values, things that you value, you're gonna say some things that will ruffle the feathers of other people, other powerful people. You're not money. Not everyone is going to like you. Okay. Matter of fact, not everyone is supposed to like you. You need both sides in your audience. You need people who love you and people who hate you. And people who hate you, they keep you on your toes. They keep you sharp. They keep you in shape. They keep you, on the edge, right? They help you to stay focused. Without enemies or people who hate us, we'll relax. You start kicking your feet up until you realize, hey, if I relax, they're going to take my empire. If I relax, they're going to sabotage me. If I relax, they're going to want to take my spot. So you need both sides of the people. You need people who love you and people who hate you. And don't ever think that the people who love you are more important than the people who hate you. There's no greatness without the adversity, without the pain, without going through fire. No. So if you shine too bright, you're going to cast a shadow. It is part of life. You become great. Just know that it comes with a lot of hate. It comes with a lot of envy and jealousy. So you better accept that as part of your journey. If you desire to be great, it is what it is. You're going to have enemies. You're going to have enemies. And we tend to think that, sometimes if you're looking from the outside, looking at a celebrity or someone who's impactful in history or in real life, you think all they have is just people who love them. No, no, silly. It doesn't work like that, okay? They can love you in public and hate you in private. It is what it is. But you need people who hate you so that they can keep you sharp, like I said. Iron sharpens iron. So that you can stay focused, so that you don't lose that substance to your purpose. Like, what will it be if everyone agreed with you? It will be boring. If everyone had the same values as you, which means the world wouldn't need change, which means there would be no, it wouldn't be necessary for the world to change, right? So you need both sides, light and darkness. They go together. There's no yin without the yang. Ta-da! Genius, right? Yeah, I know. Anyway, man, I cannot be as loud as I can be because people are sleeping. It's late at night. But always remember, don't let the hate corrupt you. Because hating people is like drinking poison and expecting the person that you hate to die. So don't hate. Be motivated by love. Love is the greatest of it all. And sometimes you destroy an enemy or a hater by making them your friend. And always make sure that your personality is on point. Personality, the person that you are in actuality or in reality. Put that on Google under Terrence K. Morisan or Toxic G. Yeah, man, I'm out this motherfucker. Let's go!